Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2013 Infiniti JX35. We'll be replacing this driver side headlamp assembly. Customer opted in to provide their own parts. We'll be putting in a used part today. But this will be the procedure for the headlamp assembly. I'm going to be taking off all these little clips up top here. Little push pins. Some may break. Depending upon the age of the vehicle, they do get old. Like this one right here. I'm only doing one headlight assembly, so we're going to see if we can sneak out this bumper cover and not take it all the way off. Do just the driver's side. So we'll see when we get to that point. Tons and tons of clips. This will come off. This will come out of the way. Let's see if we can take the bumper and move it forward some. Not take it off on that side over there, but at least off on this side here. So we got 10 here, 10 here. And there's some 10s down on the side, but there'll be some coming over here. So it's like yay. 10 here, 10 over here, 10 here on the side, and then that will come off with it. Oh, and 10 right there. Oop, wrong one. Take this 10 off here. This will be for the bumper part. Hopefully it will come loose. If not, that's gonna be fun. That may have to come out as well, just so we don't snag it and do all that. So yeah, I think we'll take that off. Take that loose now. Here's our 10 for up here. Looking like Torx bits for the piece over here inside. Let's see what size we're looking at. We're looking at a T15. And someone put the big one in. So we're going to go turn the wheel, make it easier to get those ones right there. So, someone's been in here and messed with this thing. T15 and T15. the splash shield back. Can't see it, but there's a 10 straight up here. That's what we're getting off. Upside down action. See, that's what we're getting. And this should pull straight out. Just like that. Lower valence has to come off. Clips. These are going to be the ones that are going to break. Alright, I'm going to do this and then come back. Going to be a couple little T15 Torx. You can see them right down there, and there's 2 spots. Got to loosen this up enough over here. We got 10mm right here. That piece will come off. Another structural piece. So we'll take this. Alright, big connector right down here. I'll show you a second. Connector right here. That loosen up the fog lamp assembly. Give me plenty of room where I can pull this thing out without actually having to take off the whole bumper assembly. 10 here. Got this 10 down here. Can't see it. How if I was going the right way. That 10, which would be this one right here. Alright, one here on the side. And let's see. Bet you that piece is going to have to come off too. Yep, these as well. Should be everything. Pull forward. Alright. Doesn't look like there's any main connectors, so all the individual ones are going to have to be taken out. All the bulbs at least. One. Always a problem. Okay. And ta-da. So let's compare the new one and the old and make sure we got everything that we need. Yep. Same. we just transfer harness from one to another. Alright, I'll be back in a minute. Alright, got the new harness installed, got the piece back in. See this little bump right here? You need to make sure that goes in. See this little tang right here? Make sure that lines up. It makes everything all nice and smooth. You're going to put your 10 here, 10 over here, 10 here, 10 down there. And then the 10 that goes right in that section right there. And then place your bumper back up there. All the screws you took out, Torx bits you take it out. Make sure you hook up your connector right there. And you are good to go. Leave any questions, comments. Please like and subscribe.